So today just out working on the car. You'll see right there I got my Delrin motor mount kit in from BFI. We're going to be throwing that in. I know I have a absolute ton of slop in them. I also got the front cross member bushings from Powerflex we're going to be throwing in. I'm going to go ahead and pop the control arms off. I mean, if you've been watching the videos, you know the wheels keep going in and out. Those control arm bushings are absolutely shot. I have some poly ones coming in on Friday. We're going to throw in, hopefully stiffen up the entire front end, take away a lot of that slop, be able to put the power down a little bit better. So I'm just going to start working and let y'all watch. There's probably going to be a lot of screaming and cussing, and I'll probably quit 3-4 times. So yeah, I mean, that happens. So we'll see. So while we have this up, I'll give y'all a sneak peek. I'll show y'all better once they're off. But if you want to take a look right there, if you will, at those awesome control arm bushings, they're completely shot. So now y'all know I've been worrying about that. So we got the rear one down in here done. Put it in, wiggled it around with my hand. Already felt a ton stiffer on it. Putting the front one in now, and then trans side, and then hopefully those cross member bushings, get it all fired up. Go take it for a test drive, see how she feels. With that rear motor mount bracket, make sure if you do take it off, make sure you have your torque wrench handy. Just check torque on them. Mine is over there. I don't really torque stuff. Probably a bad habit, but whatever. So on to the next part of it, and hopefully it all goes well. I can never tell if this thing's on. Now here is the front cross member. Obviously I'm going to be replacing the front motor mount. You can see it's kind of super soft. Also going to be replacing the bushings on all 4 sides, try to stiffen it up. While I was under there, I'll go ahead and show you. I have an oil leak from hell, probably coming out of the drain plug. Looks like I scraped that bitch. Coolant leak over there. The intercooler here. But I mean, for the most part, she's fine, I guess. I don't know. Oil pan gasket's leaking back off over here. I'll get to all that soon. Next thing, I want to put a lightweight crank pulley on it. Talked to my good buddy Mike. He said there's a lot of benefits in that, so probably gonna be the next thing. If you do take the whole front cross member off like I did, make sure for one you have a brace bar up top and or hoist, and then usually you'd want to brace the radiator and everything. I usually just put a jack up to hold it up, but I actually have a bracket up top that holds it in as well, so I'm not worried about it going anywhere. I mean, it took me forever. Ran into a few problems. Transmission mount did not want to come out. You can see it, just super old, decrepit. Wasn't worth the fuck anymore. We talked about the rear mount. It broke, and then the front mount was all right. But we finally got it in. Motor has absolutely no play in it anymore. I didn't end up doing the cross member bushings. I needed the metal sleeves for them. Didn't order them, but about to take it out and see how she feels.
this thing. And two, it's a pretty unusual car.
Yeah, it's definitely unusual.
Yeah,
they only made 264 of them.
Did you get it from overseas?
No, they were American. They Volkswagen's a special edition they did back in '96.
Okay.
Let me grab my insurance. I have it on the app.
Anywhere else hidden?
Not with me. I have the front plate. Yeah. I just leave the decorated one on. We're going to the car show down in Llano.
Oh, you were up there?
Yeah, we're just up there, and then we're going to visit her family.
Alrighty.
So let me see if the app will pull up. I don't have very good coverage out here. Oh, USAA, taking forever.
You do have insurance on the vehicle, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have full coverage on it.
You want to hang tight? Be right back with you.
Yes, sir. Sounds good.
Thanks.
I always get pulled over for something. Like, why me? No front license plate, and because it's an unusual car.
Very unusual.
At least we didn't speed this time.
Didn't get in trouble this time.
So hopefully just a warning. Who knows? Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. We got some big things going on with the car. Hopefully in the next couple weeks, getting a badass transmission for it. The stock trans is finally going. The synchros are shit in them. So just stay tuned, keep watching. I appreciate it all.